Hello, I'm David from Seymour Sign and Print, and today I'm going to be talking about standoff letters. Standoff letters are an affordable way to add some depth to your signage. Cheaper than built-up letters, slightly more expensive than cut vinyl lettering, but add a great depth, especially when illuminated from above, creating shadows and just adding a bit more depth and perspective to your sign. Standoff letters are great for both internal and external use, slightly uneven surfaces such as brick walls. However, one consideration to have if you're in a rented property is dilapidations when it comes to removing the signs. Standoff letters typically require lots of holes for fixing. An alternative is to have something like a folded sign tray behind it, reducing the number of holes that we put into the fabric of the building, while still maintaining the great effect that standoff letters produce. If you want your sign to stand out, remember to ask the experts here at Seymour Sign and Print.